As we have seen, the Tzolk'in, or sacred calendar, is based on a set of 13 numbers sequentially repeated 20 times for a total of 260 permutations. When we consider the Mayan notation system and the pattern created by the numbers 1 through 13 repeated sequentially, in the Mayan notation system, a purely visual pattern is clearly evident. This visual pattern can be abstracted even further in the manner presented in this map. What we see is a matrix of 13 rectangles within which a heavy line of rhythmically rises and falls repeatedly, 20 times. Above and below the row of rectangles, curved lines relate the odd and even rectangles to create two further rhythmic patterns corresponding to the fact that when the number of the 13 rows are added up, the sums of the even rows differ by 7, while the sum of the odd rows differs by 6. When we contemplate the sacred calendar in this purely visual manner, we can appreciate all the more that we are dealing with a pattern intrinsic to nature and not a man-made invention. Knowledge of such patterns result from a combination of observation and total body receptivity. Also, as indicated in considering the role of the 260-unit matrix in the Seibank weave, we realize that we are dealing with an intuitively perceived celestial pattern, in this case, one biopsychically associated with the rising and falling pattern of the binary sunspot movements. Evocative of the celestial scanning of the intuitive eye of the primary process of knowledge through the attunement is the Navajo sky window diagram depicted beneath the rhythmic pattern of the sacred calendar. The shape of this pattern probably corresponds to that of the observatory window in one of the Anasazi's Colorado River region of North America ceremonial centers, CA 1000 PA.